Hello everyone. In our tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to use Meta AI image in Messenger. So first, you have to go to Google Play Store if you're using Android and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. So first, you have to update your Messenger. At the same time, you have to update your Facebook. Now, once done, launch your Facebook application and locate your Messenger. So once you tap your messenger here, next thing you should do is to simply tap this pencil icon. So once you tap this pencil icon, you should see the feature or new feature of Messenger that is Meta AI. Okay, but take note that not all countries can avail or can unlock this feature. There are countries that this is not available. So this is what it looks like. Tap the AI chat, and then you will see this introducing AI chats, chat with different characters, take to your own assistant, help improve AI chats. Click OK. Then once you tap this, then you will see this. Okay, about generative AI, you can see the information about here. Then once you're okay with this, what you want to do is simply use your Meta AI. So here you can see different options like learn, sports, pop culture, and adventure with each AI character. So these are just examples. Once you have used this Meta AI, you can use any prompts, you can ask anything that you want to have an answer right away. So this is just an example. This is how a Meta AI answers you whenever you ask a question or whenever you ask some prompts. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.